Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change and replace the thumbsticks that are peeling or damaged on your Xbox One controller. This is relatively easy, so you can go into Amazon and you can buy new thumbsticks. Otherwise, you can take it from like your PlayStation or your old Xbox controller and then just take it apart and you can exchange the thumbsticks there. Now, the first thing we want to do is turn over the controller, and I already have one side panel removed. But you want to remove the side panel, and I suggest using like a plastic piece like this, wedge it into the side right here, and then you should be able to work your way down. So my controller is already pretty much unassembled, but just work your way into here, and once you get to a point, you can just pop it off like that. Then open up the batteries, remove the batteries, and you have to pierce this with like a screwdriver, and there's going to be one screw right here that you're going to need to go ahead and remove. And then you got one on the left, here, so 5 total. And you're going to need a T8 or T9, or I think like a 2.5 millimeter flathead screwdriver, and you can remove this right here. So once you have everything removed, the front cover should come off relatively easy now. So this is going to only take you like 2 or 3 minutes if you have the correct screwdriver. So once you pop off the cover, all you have to do is go to the thumbstick now and then lift up. And then you can see into here. So if you do have stick drift or something, you can spray in there with compressed air. Clean that off. Maybe you got some rubbing alcohol at hand. You can clean this off really well. But if you have a PlayStation 5 or PS4 controller laying around that doesn't work anymore, you can just take the thumbstick out from there, place it on there, and it will work. So if you like the thumbsticks more on like a different controller, you can just exchange those. So now you can place this on here just like this, and it should fit. I use these control freaks to prevent peeling. So you can go to Walmart or GameStop or something and get these, but I'll damage these control freaks instead of peeling the controller. And these are only going to go ahead and be like 10 to 15 bucks. So you can just look at those as an option as well. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.